In order to get the most out of orchestration and automate your business processes, it is important to have a clear overview of your needs and the elements that will be involved. Examples of this could be the flows required to complete each step, and also the users or groups that will be involved. When working with orchestration, keep in mind that it is a user-centric solution aimed to guide your steps and development. So before starting, take time to plan your orchestration. Sketch the stages needed and the users related to each case. This will save you a lot of time reworking and will improve the quality of your development. And that's pretty much it. We hope this mini-series has helped you understand a little more about Salesforce Orchestrator. If you have any questions left, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks and see you next time!